Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into YouTube and confirming your Google account is active. This lets Translate tools access language preferences. Once done, open the video and focus on the comments panel. Make sure you either have the Google Translate browser extension installed or are ready to use the built-in Translate menu in Chrome. Now pick a comment you want to translate and click the Options menu or highlight text. That first action triggers the translation workflow and prepares you for the next steps. Once you've highlighted or opened the comment options, use the Translate extension or right-click Translate command to generate the target language. Read both original and translated versions. This helps you preserve tone and catch idioms or slang that literal translation misses. If you plan to reply, copy the translation into the reply box and edit for clarity. Shorten sentences, fix names, and adjust formality. Make sure to preview the comment so spacing and punctuation look natural before posting the reply. To finish, post your translated reply and watch for responses that signal miscommunication. Context matters, so be ready to clarify. If the translation looks wrong, toggle the detected language, try a different target language setting, or rephrase the original text and translate again. For persistent issues, copy the text into another translation tool or perform a quick manual edit to fix idioms and slang. One troubleshooting tip: if machine translation garbles meaning, rewrite short.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.